Hey crystal lovers, Ashley Levy here with the Love and Light School of Crystal Therapy, and today we're talking about some basics of crystal energy. How do crystals work? How does this whole thing actually happen? And why do so many people feel such a strong connection to crystal energy? Well, let's talk about this a little bit. So first, you need to understand a little bit about the idea behind crystal healing, and this really comes down to physics. So it's thought that crystals have this regularly repeating atomic blueprint. We can actually see this when we look at the structure of a crystal, looking at it molecule by molecule, atom by atom. And so the components of a crystal stack in this regularly repeating pattern and create this blueprint of energy. So they have a perfect, stable structure. And it's thought that by bringing that perfect, harmonious vibrational energy into your own energy field, which is not always so perfect and stable, that your body will start to go through the process of entrainment and mimic the vibration of the crystal, which is that nice, stable, perfect vibration. So whether you're feeling scattered physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, all of that can kind of come back into balance when you bring a crystal into your energy field, or when crystal energy is being directed toward you or toward a purpose in your life. So it's really the combination of the crystal's energy plus your intention that allows the healing to unfold. So let's take a little look at this more in depth. So here is a large diamantina quartz crystal. So in a crystal, the atoms start to stack at the base of the crystal, and they keep stacking and stacking and stacking until they run out of material, until there's no more molecules or atoms to complete and form the crystal. So what you end up with is a crystal like this that has a C-axis, and the C-axis moves from the base toward the point vertically, so it goes lengthwise along the crystal, and this is the main axis of symmetry in a crystal. And so you have this C-axis, and all these molecules stack around it in kind of a spiral. So the energy in a crystal moves from the base toward the point in the same direction that the crystal was actually created and formed in the earth. So it's going to spiral around this C-axis. So what happens is, as energy is directed through your conscious intention to move through the crystal, it's moving from the base toward the point, but because it's spiraling while this is happening, then the crystal energy becomes more focused and more concentrated as it moves along the crystal. And this is how the crystal's ability to amplify energy occurs. So when you are looking to bring a specific quality into your life, say something like more self-confidence or inner strength, you can reach for something like a golden tiger's eye or a yellow opal. Bring those into your energy field, and now these have that perfect stable vibration. So when you bring those crystals into your field, your body, your energy field, starts to mimic the vibration that these crystals have. And that is how crystal energy works on the 101 level. Thank you so much for tuning in to this little mini live with Love and Light. I'll see you next time. Until then, I'm Ashley Levy, and crystal blessings.